So now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting on our Euro GBP. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like and share. Also, make sure you follow the Telegram. You'll find the link into the Telegram in the comment section. And also, guys, subscribe to the YouTube membership program. Right? If you've not yet done that, you can go to the channel, click on the link to the channel, then you will see the membership. Subscribe so you'll be able to get an exclusive update. Not only will you be getting an exclusive update, you will also be getting you will also be going live with us like this. So guys, more back-to-back updates, right, will be covered on this Euro GB for you guys. So but in order for you not to miss out on these updates, make sure you subscribe, like and share. Now guys, take a look at this right here. This is the high, right? Then here comes the higher low. Now if market eventually give us a new higher high, now then here comes the higher low. Now market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Then here comes what? The higher low. Now that we've got to this higher low, our next movement on EURGBP, another bullish move that should eventually form a new higher high. So guys, an higher low is what we are going to be expecting next on our EURGBP. So expect EURGBP to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, a bullish move for the day is what we are still going to be expecting. Now let's roll down to the forward time. So we should expect some reaction at this level right here. That is what we should be expecting on GBP. Let's see if GBP from this level. Let's see if it will give us a bullish move at this level right here. So that is to tell you that for the day we should see GBP will give us a bullish move. Now more updates on this will be covered for you guys. So in order for you not to miss out on your updates, make sure you subscribe, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. Also subscribe to the YouTube membership in order for you to miss out on